market is full of good talents. Sometimes not having a good HR and payroll system can stop you to get the best talents in the market for your organization. Sometimes you may see top performing leaders, top performing people leave the organization where they have not been considered or compensated well based on their performance. Introducing 10X Paybooks, the complete HR and payroll for the GCC region, which supports the complete recruitment management and onboarding, the complete HR and payroll management, the shift management or the time tracking, the benefits and the claim management, the 360-degree appraisal management, PRO and alert management module, the training management module. It also has the complete workflow management along with this approvals, the resources, analytics and reporting platform. It is also important to have an HR and payroll system which supports geofencing, where it recognizes the face and finger for the biometric recognition. A system which supports employee self-service management, which also has the mobility platform which is ready on Android and iOS. I would like to quickly jump into the demo where I wanted to drive you to the complete HR and payroll. Here you go. So let me log in, and this is my SAP Business One GUI. When I double click on this, it helps me to connect to the database and to the application, and where I can see my company name, user ID as manager, and I put in my password, and I said okay. Automatically it takes me to the quick highlights of the day, where total number of Emirates ID expiry or insurance expiry. It's something like a quick alert and message comes to me. So look at this beautiful dashboard. Here is what I can see: the company Payroll 360 launcher, the employee Payroll 360 launcher, active employee list, the terminated employee for this month, resigned employees for this month. The total count I can see on my dashboard. So the total new joinees, how many Emirates ID is going to expire, how many insurance are going to expire, total gross salary for this month. These are all the KPIs I can see on my home screen. So from here, let me drive you through directly to the master setup of the payroll, which is actually a one-time activity which we will be doing. Again, under system initialization, where it's all the payroll one-time configuration part which is done over here under the payroll settings. All this round of payroll details, all your GL determination, all your policies, salary setup template, all this initial setup is done over here. So for the payroll setup, here under modules, under administration, under setup, under payroll, recruitment, and you can see all the sub modules over here: recruitment rounds, recruitment master, employee onboard master, employee performance, all the rating, performance evaluation, payroll management, all your deductions, benefits, claim, tickets, end of settlement, shift. So all these things has been configured over here for the first time. So let me drive you through the main menus and the sub menus. Let me start with the payroll module. Under payroll module, let me drag this, and under payroll module you will be able to see the complete employee salary management, leave management. Let me go to the employee salary management. There you have the salary setup and the personal information and all the disciplinary forms. All the basic setup is done over here. So from there, I would like to take you to the leave management, where you will see the leave application, all compensatory off applications, leave accrual process, leave rejoin applications, anything related to those reports also will be able to pull out. Then comes the attendance management, then the shift schedule, attendance upload, attendance summary upload, attendance summary, and attendance summary approval, all the localizations, attendance import export of all the data, and there is also all your time and attendance integration reports. Everything can be pulled over there. So coming to this loans, you can see loans and advance application, and sometime if you take the loans, loan pre-closures you can see, claim management you can see, claim management applications, the payroll management. Under the loans and advance management, you will be able to see loans and advance applications, and sometimes loan has been taken and loan pre-closures in advance closings and all other reports. Then you can see the claim management. Again, the claim applications, all your reimbursement can be managed over there. Then the payroll management. Here you can see the payments and deductions, the payroll pre-process, salary process, the WPS file generation, SIF files in a single click, you can generate it. And the payroll posting, you can see the gratuity provisional posting, leave provisional posting, air ticket provisional posting. So all these things, and on top of it is ad hoc payment and deductions. So all this things are being managed over here. Then comes the employee appraisal management, employee appraisal and review. You can see over here employee performance evaluation based on their weightage, whatever been defined, those things can be pulled out. Then comes the end of employee exit, the end of service process or end of settlement. Again, the pension management, like for UAE we have GPSSA, likewise all the GCC region, we do have all the localized compliance are met on the system. Next comes the request form, all kind of air ticket request, the document request, any petty cash request, any kind of petty cash vouchers, any leave encashment request, employee resignation request, everything has been managed over here under this request form. Then comes on the human resource side. So it has got the end-to-end recruitment management module where you have the recruitment request, advertisement request, candidate master, the resume submission, interview scheduler, even the offer letter side can be released from the system. It has this employee onboard, all the policies and form publishing is done over here. Then we do have the employee onboard feedback. Then we do have the PRO alert management, which mostly with related to all the employees visa and other process and all the employee contract renewals. Then we have this employee accommodation management and allocation of the accommodation, all those things all managed over here. Then employee suggestion management, where employees can give the suggestion, employee suggestion side is over here. Then comes the complete training management module where HR can schedule the training and assign those trainings to the individual employees. Then comes the employee transfer, maybe location wise or a same employee can be used on multiple projects, so cost center wise employees can be transferred. Another important thing is under the recruitment management module, I can show you the advertisement request screen, which I wanted to highlight you here. This has a direct integration with the social media platform or your website, wherever you post the job with the description, and whomever apply over there, those things can be filtered and coming into to the system where the candidate master part has been configured. Then all the resume submission, everything does automatically in the backend system. Then the interview scheduler, and from there issuing the offer letter, everything has been managed in the backend. So that's a quick intro about 10X Paybooks.